SpaceX versus FAA, the Starship launch approval standoff. There's a space race brewing, and it's not between nations, it's between SpaceX and the FAA. The prize? Winning Starship's launch approval. SpaceX, led by tech titan Elon Musk, is pushing boundaries with its ambitious Starship program. It's a futuristic vision of space travel, but not without its hurdles. The FAA, on the other hand, is tasked with ensuring public safety. A job that entails rigorous reviews and strict regulations. A clash seems inevitable. The battleground, Boca Chica, Texas. SpaceX's private spaceport and the site of Starship's test flights. The FAA's concerns center around environmental and safety risks. Musk's frustration is palpable. The tech mogul deems regulatory framework a hindrance to innovation. He believes SpaceX could accelerate if not for the FAA's red tape. However, the FAA stands firm. Their stance? Safety cannot be compromised. The rigorous review process ensures protection of public, property, and environment. Who will win this tug of war? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, space exploration's future is sure to be eventful.